Hello children, welcome you all in our EuroKids online classroom. I am your Shilpi Miss. And children, look, which number flashcard is this? Tell me which number is this? This is number 3. This is number 3. Children, repeat with me. This is number 3. This is number 3. And children, today we will learn how to write number 3. So, I am writing number 3 on this slate with the help of this chalk, and you have to write number 3 in your copy. Okay, so let's write number 3. So, first make one curve, then make another curve. This is number 3. We will write a big 3. Yes. One curve, then second curve. This is number 3. We will write it once again. So let's write number 3. Number 3. This is number 3. Which number is this? This is number 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Okay children. So now tell me, how many fingers are these? How many fingers? These are 3 fingers. These are 3 fingers. Okay children. So now we will move towards our next activity. So children, our next activity is we are going to learn letter V. We are going to learn letter V. This is uppercase letter V and this is lowercase letter V. Uppercase letter V, lowercase letter V. And children, look, there are so many words that start with letter V. V for vase. V for vase. Okay. And what is the spelling of vase? V-A-S-E. Vase. V for vase. And V for vessels. You use vessels to keep your things or keep your cooked foods in that. So V for vessel. And what is the spelling of vessel? V-E-S-S-E-L-S. Vessels. V for vessels. And V for van. V for van. Okay, and what is the spelling of van? V-A-N. Van. V for van. And V for valley. V for valley. And what is the spelling of valley? V-A-L-L-E-Y. Valley. V for valley. Valley starts with letter V. And V for west. V for west. And what is the spelling of west? V-E-S-T. West. And V for victory stand. What is this? This is a victory stand. And victory stand starts with letter V. When you came first or you become winner, you stand on this victory stand. So what is the spelling of victory stand? V-I-C-T-O-R-Y. Victory. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. Victory stand. Excuse me. And now we have V for village. V for village. And what is the spelling of village? V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. V for village. And V for violin. V for violin. We play violin like this and it makes a very soothing music. uppercase letter V, and this is lowercase letter v. And look children, there are so many words that start with letter V. And what you have to do? You have to learn all these words with their spelling. Okay children, so now we will learn how to write V. Okay. So children, today we will learn how to write capital letter V. So let's look. We will write capital letter V. We will make a slanting line, then again a slanting line. It will give us capital letter V. So again we will write capital letter V. Make a slanting line downwards, then make a slanting line upward. Gives you capital letter V. We will write it once again. Make a slanting line downwards, then make a slanting line upwards. Gives you capital letter V. And children, now we will learn how to write small letter V. We will write just like capital letter V. And you have to write in between these two blue lines. Small letter V, you have to write in between two blue lines. So let's start. Slanting line downwards, then slanting line upwards. Give you small letter V. We will write it once again. Make a slanting line downwards, then make a slanting line upwards. Give you a small letter V. So this is capital letter V or uppercase letter V, or this is small letter V or lowercase letter V. Okay children, so now we will start our next activity. So children, our next activity is we are going to learn forest, animals in forest. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn animals in forest. Children, we live in our home and some animals live in forest. Forest is their home. Okay children, so I am showing you the animals that live in forest. Okay children, so which animal is this? You know, this is lion. This is lion. And where does lion live? Lion lives in forest. Lion lives in forest. So it is a wild animal. So it is a wild animal. And we have deer. This is deer. Deer also lives in forest. Deer also lives in forest. And what animal we have? We have tiger. Tiger also lives in forest. Where does tiger lives in? Tiger lives in forest. Children, you have to repeat with me. Tiger lives in forest. And you have to repeat with me. Are you repeating with me? Yes, repeat with me. And which animal is this? Tell me. Do you know which animal is this? This is cheetah. This is cheetah. And where does cheetah live? Do you know where does this cheetah live? Cheetah lives in forest. Cheetah lives in forest. And children, look, which animal is this? This is snake. And where do snake live? Snake lives in forest. This is snake. So snake is also a wild animal. And which animal is this? It jumps like this. Which animal is this? This is frog. This is frog. Look, and frog, where does frog lives in? Frog lives in forest. Frog lives in forest. And children, look, there are so many insects. there are so many insects that lives in forest. This is spider and ant, caterpillar, mosquito, all these grasshopper, all these insects lives in forest. Okay, children? And do you know why these animals lives in forest? Have you ever think that we live in our home and why these animals go and live in forest? So I am going to tell you about this. Okay, so that these animals you call wild animal, the animal that lives in forest, they live in forest because from protection from other creatures. Forest protect them from other animals as well as human. So snake, tiger and deer, all these animals lives in forest to protect themselves. Why they live in forest? To protect themselves from other creature and from humans. And they lives in forest from protection from cold, heat, snow or rain, because forest has so many trees. Forest has so many trees, a lot of trees, shrubs, bushes they are found in forest. So the trees, the bushes and the shrubs gives protection to the animals. The animal take their shelter under the tree or under the bushes or under the shrubs. Okay, children? And food is available in larger quantity and very easily. In forest there are so many trees and the animals find large amount of food and they found large amount of food there. Okay, and they found the food easily also. So that's why they live in forest. And what there is one thing, another thing that why they live in forest is that they have a place to rear the young ones. In forest, they can rear their young ones or they can rear their baby tiger or baby snake very easily, and they can protect themselves from other animals and from humans. So children, all these animals I have shown to you lives in forest. Okay, children? So now it's our time to end our session. Okay, children?